boy 5 billion naira. On what will if 5 billion naira after the boy like where mebo? When will we go heroes? Where should we where? Where we do gashi? The first one the boys that are looking up apart from glory. And 5 billion naira after the boy like still I can have young one up there. No problem give up tell. Literally well 12 fail land braka you to when a jollo. How we present a fan lock it up on our family go pay. It's a terrified that. If female will go where we go heroes to pay youth. Say much about youth and dogs on a fan and make it napper. Also, weary, if I'm weary. Also, I'm saying I'm weary. Most are drama will with that. Also, a barrier, a drama. Also, a barrier, do the catch the couple million will. Also, a barrier, a drama. Do the catch, I go hard, most are drama. Okay, Fanatal. Most are drama. You will 5 billion naira. Where you go, where we go here also. Where will you do? Say, fast about you to do a fabo Yahoo boy, or whatever. I haven't make it napper, all why the fan me. Man, give 5 billion naira, here to all on Anambra State. Can you to Rubol, can you to go Yamole? Call other states in the Nigerian. More on Kimel. If you may shoot that web, see you to change the gadgets about to our boys. I was in the money. If I go, in front of you, have no you to come. No matter you, no matter can I say. 5 billion naira, why if I'm 5 billion naira? Almost somewhere when I heroes create him with Geneko. Like if I am a Anambra State, I am a type of Anambra State. That's some Anambra State, Mambo Anambra, Pambo Anambra. So get you to from an operating Igbo there, but you buy you to know what if I'm okay. Look the lie all my yellow. I had ready roll for you too. I saw my yellow. Get it just kind of. Get it just kind of.
I don't know one them mother na the government is sure hire them with that intelligent information na Facebook. You ought to go like this particular guy who made this video. I found reason but an Anambra state government I get it to this guy. Get this guy arrested because about some of the irregularities do not do gashinalo. But that does not mean that you will undermine the fact that my reason but Soludo or those guys who to maintain peace and order and to restore security to Anambra state. You ought to go I will be a victim of this insecurity in Anambra state. Yapata na application to this guy is. I don't know why government here do ever like this on a hapwa and I walk away this I walk around the street of Anambra state free. Why can't you get this guy arrested? All this nonsense only about because now there are million will arrest. So now akwa tiwalo ake ablo nwanne mmadu ko onye se Jesus ablo nwanne mmadu ko eke hit na Okija ablo nwanne mmadu ko over 30 native doctors no na detention ablo nwanne mmadu ka not because now there are million will arrest million will another go now ko eju we pota. So he is trying to justify kidnapping, right? He's trying to justify Etonto. He's trying to justify Igbo mmadụ by say he will all when Tonto. So now the rest of us be the Tonto. Kirunde nozi yada anara somaha neku. All na the rest of us ka the rest of us onye wojolu de la iso nwe ba je wori na alo. Onwe wojolu de la iso nwe e ba je wori. So the rest of us are indulged on the crime of eto mmadụ aya hono mmadụ. You want to go? Government I do proactive or government na do proactive and a organization or a group or okay all how either monitor social media space. I've said it before. Now social media can mother yama will confess if one name all need pay attention yama. Now social media if you can mother yama who something okay ye meme into intelligent yama. Now social media can mother yama confess if one name at the moment. Intelligent yama, and that is why America and Western countries are arrest the crime even before I commit here. It is because of a group of experts here that monitor social media space now share information need for substance email. This guy is supposed to do free now walk the street of Anambra State being a free man because this guy will something on him. this guy with something on him. Look, let me tell you, there is never anything that is enough to justify Ntahana to Anambra State. And I will support the government and anybody that is going to take any step into arresting that situation. Because mmadụ batazie ebe nne ị na-atụ ụjọ, mmadụ bataluo na Anambra State ị na-atụ ụjọ because of mmadụ ibe ị na-atụ ụjọ because of mmadụ ibe ahụ security nke a pụta ebe a na-awụ ọzọgharị ọnụ na-enyegharị mkpọtụ repeating the same thing from beginning of the video to the last 5 billion 5 billion 5 billion. Jide yourself ka okwu ebe 5 billion aha ata eze wotado ọ bụ ụlọ nya onye nye that money ka oke ọ bụ onye onye nye that money ka eke eblame onye kedu ndị ya dakwa na-achọ ebe ọ nọ kịta o decide go ibulute jeto na second Niger bridge onye ya eji ishe olesi na ndị chọrọ iwolu pass ahụ mmadụ for ndị a na-eme harvest pass mmadụ ijele yele ọ ndị a nwere ike ifu ya kpụrụ ya so ọma ife people na pass through hiding around na ha bata Anambra State or no experience go such thing or no in a position where he will be scared of mmadụ ibe ya tọrọ ya napụ ya ego ma ogbuo egbuo ọ ya dekwugheri ife ọ na-ekwugheri because ụdị mmadụ ị na-eje tọrọ ya ihe bere isie ka ọ ndụ ya ka ị chọrọ share this video. Anambra State government how do proactive, Nigerian government in general how do proactive. Somebody speak this kind of nonsense or happy or do free na akpagharị unu na-eche mgbe crime ahụ ya grow na into an advanced stage then unu ebupụtazi ego zuo ma ohi dị n'elu because no chọrọ mana court on early na watching social media na ndị mmadụ na-ekwu ife ha na-eme na social media mana na ha pay attention. This guy kịta ọ ya gbana onye oyi ọ wụ onye oyi ọ ya wụ onye ntọ sokwa nnọọ mma ukwuru